Okay, so what they're telling you is this is what they're giving you. The left side of that first triangle is congruent to the right side, and the bottom side of that one is congruent to the top side. Everybody see that? And they want to know what information is needed to conclude that these two triangles are congruent by SAS, okay? So, that's okay. So we have two sides, we need an angle, all right? I want everybody on your page to mark the angle you think it is that's needed. So, SAS, we need to have the angle that's between the two congruent lines. It can't just be any two angles, okay? It has to be, here's a side, it has to be this guy in the middle, and here's the other side, so it's SAS. It has to be in order. So it has to be T and M. You can mark your picture clearly, or you can put angle T is congruent to angle M, or if you're really good students, you can do both, okay? So I can make sure you understand. So in this one, we need two angles and a side, right? And we only have one angle. So what you're going to do is you're going to tell me what things we know for sure on the things I told you to look for. And one of the things we know is this. So that is actually a given information. It's not marked, but you know it. You know that the share side is equal to itself. So now we have a side and an angle, and we need to find the other angle. So they have to be in order, angle, angle, side. So since this is a side and this is an angle, then this has to be the other angle in order for it to be angle, angle, side in the right order. If you pick the one where the C is, it would be angle, side, angle, right? And that's the only other choice you have. So that's why it's not the C. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So this has to be equal to this so that it's angle, angle, side in order. So angle Z is congruent to angle E. So here, what thing is given that's not marked?
The two angles at the X.
The two angles right here at the X, the vertical angle. So that's not marked, but it's given, okay? Just because it's not marked doesn't mean you don't know that to be true. Anytime there's an X in the picture, the vertical angles are congruent. So go ahead and mark that as a freebie, and I'm going to change colors to find the third thing. This is ASA. So I always start with the angle, go to the side, and what is the next angle in a row? H and C. Very good. So angle H is congruent to angle C if these two are congruent by ASA.